Bolt hole technology is a relatively new yet misunderstood technology within the fabrication industry. Many machine manufacturers today provide some sort of system to correct for roundness and cylindricity when cutting a hole on a plasma machine. SigmaNEST has worked with many of these machine manufacturers to provide a solution to accomplish roundness on the holes and cylindricity throughout the depth of that hole. The benefit of doing this is we will eliminate drilling and reaming and additional processes. We'll increase profitability by eliminating those secondary steps, and we're going to produce cleaner parts such that you can provide to your customers. There are three main problems that arise when cutting with a plasma machine. The first is gouging at the crossover between the lead-in and the lead-out. The next is the holes are not cylindrical, especially on holes that have a 1-to-1 ratio of diameter versus material thickness. And the last is taper on profiles that are greater than 2 degrees. This is often very important when creating holes for applications such as bridges and other architectural systems. In order to fix the problems with gouging at the crossover between the lead-in and lead-out, what we'll do is utilize the advance off features in the program to take the burn down to a lower gas pressure and then create an overburn. So we will actually have a gap between the lead-in and lead-out and burn beyond the lead-out into the profile to eliminate that tip that you would normally get. We'll also use a proper feed rate and then slow that down right before we get to the lead-in to allow that cleanup to happen appropriately. To fix the problem with the holes not being cylindrical, typically the problem causing that is the feed rate is too fast. So what we'll do is we'll slow down the feed rate based on the diameter or the area of the hole, and we'll use the program that feed rate and then ramp that down right when we get to some dimension right before the lead-in to allow that proper feed out. Additionally, we'll adjust the gas parameters automatically to ramp down the pressure and then cut beyond the lead-in. Bolt hole quality is typically done on material thicknesses from 1/4 inch to 1 inch down to a minimum of a 1-to-1 diameter versus thickness ratio. For more information on BHQ, visit our website www.sigmanest.com.